Hey there, welcome to 5 Minute Tech Clash. Today, we've got a thrilling matchup for you, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. In this video, we'll compare their features, weigh the pros and cons, check out their prices, and ultimately declare a winner. Stay tuned, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech comparisons. You can find the links to buy these watches in the description below. Click the links to check out the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 versus Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, now on Amazon. All right, let's dive into the features of the Galaxy Watch 6 and the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. First up, the Galaxy Watch 6 comes in two sizes, 44mm and 40mm with a Super AMOLED display. On the other hand, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic offers larger sizes, 47mm and 43mm, also with a Super AMOLED display. When it comes to colors, the Watch 6 is available in graphite, silver, and gold. Meanwhile, the Classic keeps it sleek with black and silver options. In terms of weight, the Watch 6 is lighter and slimmer, making it more comfortable for daily wear. The Classic, however, is more robust, providing a sturdier feel. Both models feature 5 ATM plus IP68 durability, ensuring they are water and dust resistant. Battery life is a strong suit for both, offering up to 40 hours with the always-on display turned off. Connectivity options for both include LTE, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi, NFC, and GPS. Finally, both watches provide 16 GB of storage and are compatible with Android 10 or higher. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of each watch. Starting with the Galaxy Watch 6, here are some pros. Updated design, new Exynos W930 chip, and more RAM, improved wellness and sleep metrics. But there are a few cons. Still constrained by battery life. You can't share fitness data to Google Fit. Now for the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, the pros, big, bold, elegant looks. We welcome the return of the rotating bezel, runs on Wear OS 4 and One UI Watch 5. And the cons? Same battery sizes as the regular Watch 6 models, despite being larger, heavy, and oversized. Let's talk about pricing. The Galaxy Watch 6 is available for $268.99 on Amazon. It's a solid choice if you're looking for advanced features at a more affordable price. The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, on the other hand, is priced at $339.99. This reflects its premium design and the return of the rotating bezel. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the winner of this tech clash. After comparing the features, pros and cons, and prices, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic edges out as the winner. Its premium design, elegant looks, and the return of the rotating bezel give it a sophisticated edge. Plus, the integration of Wear OS 4 and One UI Watch 5 offers a seamless and intuitive user experience. While the Galaxy Watch 6 is a fantastic and affordable option with great features, the Classic's overall package and refined aesthetics make it worth the extra investment. So, there you have it. Check out the links in the description to see more details and decide which one is right for you. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching.